Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the PPF on the Fender. Right. Today we're going to be doing the driver's side, and remember, whatever we do on this side, we could do on the other side.
Peeling the film on the headlight side will make it easier to remove the backing paper with only one person. Once the backing paper is off, make sure to lift the film and spray slip solution under the film. When installing fenders, always start from the highest point. Aligning the film to the body line, there's not going to be any tucking in. When in position, add tack solution under the film to remove any excess water. First, we're going to align the top side of the headlight and then move towards the bottom side of the headlight. When tucking in, spray tack solution on your towel to help it glide over the film, and with your heat gun, remove any excess water to wrap the film over the edge. Once done, go back on the edges and check to see if there's any spots that still have water underneath. If so, go over the spots with your towel and remove the water with your towel.
Alright, that concludes the PPF installation for the Fender. Just remember to tuck in any excess edges, and if you need to trim anywhere else, just make sure to trim carefully. And if you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.